I've been testing this smartphone for about a week now instead of my iPhone, and after using it, I've got some mixed reactions. So first of all, this is Galaxy S21FE 5G 2023 edition with Snapdragon 888 chipset, and I've got this video for you because as an iOS user, can I switch to Android completely? So before answering that question, I want to clear that this is not another spec talk, but pure experiences, and let's see how Samsung has really impressed me with those features and almost forced me to switch to Android. Let's dive in. Starting with the design, this is a pretty phone. Although the back is plastic and frame is aluminum, it feels very premium, and the weight distribution spot on. This phone is light, I mean really light. Now that display, bright, sharp, and the main feature which I noticed just after using this phone is the 120Hz refresh rate. The difference is noticeable. I put it head to head with my iPhone and you can feel the difference. That 120Hz adds a level of smoothness that just feels, well, premium. And I've seen many of them comparing 60Hz of iPhone with the 120Hz of Android. Although the iPhone 60Hz is the most efficient, but 120Hz is yet noticeable. And one thing I can say about this phone is that the more I explore it or use it, the more I loved it. And when it comes to the performance, this device works seamlessly. Although the device heats up a little bit during heavy tasks, but not as much compared to the rapid heat my iPhone gets when you just keep it for charging. And if you put a case on it, then you're killing it way faster. But protection is also important. And now let's dive into the software side of things, where the S21FE truly shines with a suite of features that make the user experience stand out. Firstly, let's talk about the image enhancer and the object remover. Now, these aren't your run-of-the-mill features, but the image enhancer effortlessly elevates the quality of your photos without the need of an external applications. Colors pop, details sharpen. It's like giving your photos a virtual touch-up right on your device. And these are not even top AI features that Samsung provides in their flagship devices. Then there's the object remover. We've all been there, capturing a perfect shot, not only to realize that there's an unwanted element in the frame. With this phone, it's as simple as few taps to make that distraction vanish. No need for third-party apps like I used to have on my iPhone. The power to perfect your photos is right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk customizations. A run where S21FE truly excels. Samsung's One UI provides an array of options to tailor you to your device to your liking. From customizable themes, icons, and wallpapers to tweaking the layout and color scheme, you have the freedom to make your S21FE uniquely yours. The Edge panel is another nifty feature. It's like having a shortcut hub at the edge of your screen, giving you quick access to apps, tools, and contacts with a simple swipe. It's not just convenient, it's a testament to how Samsung values its user accessibility. And for those who appreciate a bit of security and privacy, Samsung Knox is a robust security platform that's seamlessly integrated. It adds an extra layer of protection to your data, giving you a peace of mind in the connected world. So, beyond the impressive hardware, the S21FE's software features contribute significantly to its appeal. Multitasking. Samsung has stepped up its game by allowing users to run multiple apps simultaneously with ease. With this phone, you can open up to 5 apps simultaneously, a game changer for those who demand efficiency in their day-to-day tasks. Whether you are responding to messages while referencing a document or splitting the screen to watch a video and browse the web simultaneously, the S21FE's multitasking capabilities provide a seamless and intuitive experience. And this isn't just about juggling between apps, it's about maintaining a flow in your workflow. The split screen functionality is easy to activate, making the most of the phone's spacious display. It's like having a mini desktop in the palm of your hand. And if you're the type who loves having quick access, frequently used apps, the App Pair feature is your best friend. This allows you to create shortcuts that open 2 apps at the same time with a single tap. Perfect for those tasks that require a specific combination of apps working in tandem. So whether you're a multitasking pro or just looking to make your life a bit more efficient, the S21FE's multitasking features are designed to meet your needs, providing a smooth and fluid experience as you navigate throughout your day. Now, let's talk about one of the most crucial aspects of any smartphone. Yes, battery life. This phone is equipped with a 4500 mAh battery, and I must say, it holds its own quite well. Throughout my week of testing, the battery life has been impressive. With moderate to heavy usage including social media scrolling, streaming videos, and fair amount of camera usage, the S21FE managed to sail throughout the day comfortably. What's noteworthy here is the inclusion of some smart battery optimization features, like Samsung has introduced the option to set charging limits, allowing you to cap the battery charge at 85%. This might sound counterintuitive at first, but it's a strategic move to prolong the overall battery lifespan. See, lithium-ion batteries degrade over time, and limiting the charge helps slow down the process. It's a nifty feature for those who plan on keeping their phones for an extended period. Moreover, the S21FE incorporates adaptive power saving modes and app optimization, intelligently managing resources to eke out more juice when you need it the most. So, in the battery department, this phone not only boasts a substantial capacity but also provides users with tools to make their battery usage more efficient and sustainable in the long run. It's a thoughtful addition to an already impressive package. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The cameras. The cameras on this device are kind of amazing, and obviously Samsung devices are known for their contrasty and punchy colors, but I'm more interested in the telephoto camera because the telephoto lens takes the spotlight, turning this phone into a photography heavyweight. Daylight shots, stunning. The color, the contrast, it's all there. And the dynamic range, outshining even the latest iPhone. And you can observe the color shift when I switch the lens to 3x. But the dynamic range is far better than the present day iPhone 15. They often give up the brightest part, but Samsung nails it all the time. But hold on, here's the wild part. I don't know whether it's a glitch or Samsung literally added this feature. Whenever the 3x lens sees far subjects, it takes normal photos from the 3x lens itself. But as soon as it sees any closer objects, it switches to its 1x lens and digitally zoom it to 3x. I tested it by covering the 3x lens, and surprise, some shots were digitally zoomed from the 1x lens, and half of the pics taken from this phone are 1x 26mm lens images. I mean, how on earth Samsung is able to get such output with the digitally zoomed images? For reference, these two images are taken from different lenses. One is the main and another is 3x. I want you all to comment down below which one is 1x lens and which one is 3x lens. And also subscribe for more fantastic addition on my Galaxy F videos. What about portrait shots? 1x lens is already a best camera for this range, and there is no doubt about it. But 3x lens nails here compared with the competition. With the natural background blur and edge detection is also pretty perfect for this range. The next important thing on the phone is the videography. The main camera can shoot 4K 60fps with OIS. Although the main cameras these days are almost the same, but after using it, I was shocked. The daylight footage is surprisingly on par with the other players for this price range. Still, the real test is for the 3x mode. I don't know why, but 3x lens can only shoot up to 4K 30fps. Maybe that's because of the smaller sensor size, and if I change the lens to 3x first and then change 4K 30fps to 60fps, this phone again switch to 1x lens and digitally zoom 3x. I would say it's way better for this price range. Talking about the portrait video, this UI doesn't show us in which resolution it shoots, and it doesn't feel like a game changer. Rather, I would say it delivers more than what you would expect for this price. Overall, the phone performs really well and it definitely passed above my expectations. So, the big question, can I switch completely? Well, not so fast. I'm locked into the Apple ecosystem with my MacBook, and that seamless connection is tough bound to break. Disregarding that though, the S21FE would be a worthy switch for the price. Thanks for watching. See you again. Goodbye.